The police are reporting that the number of murders continues to trend down. The latest crime statistics show the decline is almost 20% compared to the same period a year ago. The data were released by the police today for the period January 1 to September 8. TVJ's Herman Green reports.
Murders continue to trend down. Figures released earlier this week by the Constabulary Force show there were 219 fewer murders, a 2% decline for the year so far up to September 8. Still, 902 homicides were recorded, among the figures 34 children. By all indications, the enhanced security measures are having an impact. St. James, which is under a state of public emergency, has recorded far fewer murders so far this year. 68 people have been killed versus 201 in the same period of 2017. Shootings are also down in the parish, falling from 157 last year to 74. In the Kingston Western Division, where Azoso is in effect, murders and shootings are down as well. 63 people have been killed, down from 75 last year, and shootings down from 98 to 53. For this year, Westmoreland, St. Andrews South, and Clarendon recorded the highest number of killings and shootings. The clear-up rate for serious crimes, according to the report, is 49%. For accusatory crimes such as robbery and break-in, there were also reductions in the number of reported cases. Larceny, however, showed an increase, 17 more cases this year. Predial larceny cases have also declined, showing 22 less reported cases in 2018. Herman Green, TVJ News.